Welcome back. You were looking at the overview slide that we created in a previous video. And one of the ways that you can create your course content is that you can scroll through your PowerPoint presentation and then you can give discussion between each of the points. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through your PowerPoint, you'll stop and then do some explanation, you'll move on to the next step. And as you continue to do this, you will complete your slides in a particular period of time. Now, it's recommended that, again, you stick to breaking up your content into videos based on subjects. As you talk through each subject, what you're going to do is you're going to complete the thought on each point. Another way to record the video is to discuss what people are seeing on your screen. As you have seen in previous videos, you can demonstrate what's happening on your screen and then giving your viewer the opportunity to experience what they should be doing. And when you're teaching and you're screencasting a web page, one of the things that you can do is you can use the F11 button to hide the address bar. So in this case, if we click F11, our address bar will disappear. If we click F11 again, our address bar will come back. When we are demonstrating in full screen mode, if we need to switch between tabs, all we'll need to do is to click the Control button, and then we'll need to click the Tab button. That'll move over one tab where we don't have to stop the video in order to continue recording. Now, another way to do videos is to do a talking head video where you have the camera trained on you as the one we are viewing here in this section. And you are looking at the camera, you are explaining the concept, and you can also have captions inside of your video. And of course, you can also do a demonstration style video where basically you are showing a concept, you have your camera trained on the concept you are doing, and then you are speaking through your outline. Now you can combine certain elements into videos if you have some kind of video editing software. You're looking at a previous version of Camtasia Studio, and you'll see a timeline, and we're going to do this in a separate video. But it's important to show you here because you can see the timeline, and all we would need to do is to add the different pieces of the video into the timeline. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.